Go get her. Trouble. Leave your sister alone. Go on, Gracie. Hey.
Come here. Come here. Not you. Sit. Come here. Gracie, come here. Grace, come here. Grace, come here. Lord, let me have peace.
Uh-oh. Sister in trouble. Sister in trouble. Come on.
Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Go get Mama. Go get Mama. Go get her. Go get Mama.
Come on.
Go get Mama.
No, Caesar, I don't want to. I don't crawl on command, you guys.
Come here. Whoa, look at what I have. Look what I have. Ooh, yeah. Look what I have.
You could go get it if you wanted. Look how excited you are. You could go get it.
Oh. Oh, do you like, oh, maybe if I change the colors? Oh. Look at Gracie. Grace. Oh, look at what I have.
There she goes.
Look at what I have. Oh, would you like a different color? Oh, that's a fun one. Oh, yeah, that's a good color, huh? Oh, look at that. That's another good color. Oh, good colors, huh? Look at that. It's another good color. You have to come get it. 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 Look at all the good colors. Oh, look at the good colors. Look at the good colors. Oh, look at the good colors. Oh, you got to the colors. Such a good baby.
Yay.
Good girl.